Hello friends, in this video I will be teaching you how you can convert hard water into soft water. I had made a previous video which was regarding how you can easily test hard and soft water at home using some detergent powder or soap. You people liked it a lot, so I am making this video in a continuation to my previous video. You can also check that previous video out. I will be leaving the link of the video down in the description box below. So first of all, let's understand the concept that we'll be working with. Okay, so this process that we'll be doing today is known as water softening. So for this procedure, we'll be basically converting hard water to soft water. The basic difference between both of these is that hard water has a high TDS, whereas soft water has a low TDS. The meaning of TDS is basically the amount of dissolved solids, thus having the full form of total dissolved solids. So whenever we reduce the TDS of our hard water, we are basically converting it into soft water. So the principle we are working on here is to remove the dissolved solids. So before we start on the removal of dissolved solids and their procedure, first of all we need to identify what are solids are dissolved in our water. The solids that are dissolved in our water are basically calcium and magnesium ions. These are present in their ionic state. We add a chemical to them, which is basically lime. The chemical formula for lime is Ca twice or calcium hydroxide. This lime actually converts these calcium and magnesium ions into their insoluble form, which is carbonates for calciums and hydroxides for the magnesium ions. So in this procedure, some calcium ions are still left. They are again converted back into their insoluble state by sodium carbonate, Na2CH. This is basically lime or chuna, and this is washing soda. Both of these can easily be found at a local store and are very easy to obtain. Now let's move on to the procedure of this experiment. Okay, so the first step that we'll be performing is to create some hard water. Now I did not have hard water at hand, so I am using basically some Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfate, to convert this into hard water. Let's add it into our water. You can see I have magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt here. We'll add a little amount of it and we'll now dissolve it in. Okay, so now what I have prepared is some hard water solution. Now next step we have to do is to do the real water softening procedure. For this, we'll first of all add calcium hydroxide into it. Calcium hydroxide or milk of lime looks like this white powdery substance. It is highly insoluble in water. We'll add it in and now we'll mix it. If you observe very closely, you might find a scum or a small layer that is forming in the bottom, that is of our magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. Now we will be adding our second chemical, which is sodium carbonate. Okay, so I have now mixed both of these very thoroughly with the water. Now the next step we have to do is to either filter it out, or we can allow it to allow the sediment to fall down, and then decant the whole thing from the top, or even siphon it out. Let me show you a closer view on how this scum layer is looking. Now hopefully you can see all this junk which is falling down. Now what we will do is filter out the solution. First of all, give it a nice mix and then add it into this filtering coal. I have fitted this with a small piece of cotton. You can also use filter paper or sea light here. Sea light is basically a very fine form of sand. Now you can see from that white cloudy water, we are ending up with this very nice and white clean water. This is our finally formed soft water. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and do comment.